Good morning and welcome back to Crafty with It, or welcome if you're new. I am just going to trim some more vinyl for my reunion shirts. I ran out, so I had to order more. I get my vinyl, my HTV from my Crafty Source, so I'm gonna do that. Not much is going on right now. Etsy's super slow, so it sucks, but there's not much I can do about it. Even Facebook Marketplace is slow. Sending them to the groups, nothing's really happening. I keep getting these. Because nobody's really buying anything right now. So I guess I'm gonna continue working on cutting vinyl for my reunion shirts. I've almost got all those completed, and that's about it. I did put a couple new listings up on Etsy under Crafty with It if you want to go check it out. This weekend we have to go in. I actually sponsored a hole for the fight against cancer at a golf outing that's coming up in August, so we got to go pay for that. And then I am actually, I think they're actually doing a sign. You can make your own sign to recognize someone that's either fighting cancer or you've lost to cancer and stuff like that. So I was actually thinking about purchasing one of those too and putting something up there with our logo and sponsoring my husband, because on our other site, Life on the Farm, everybody knows he is battling stage 4 colon cancer. He has been battling it since 2019, and he actually went in for, he was going to Carmanos, and he finally went and got a second opinion at University of Michigan, and a month after he got his second opinion, he was in for his first surgery to take the mass out of his colon and some spots off the left side of his liver. He'll go back in the fall. They put a liver pump in, so chemo is getting sent directly to his liver, and he is on the systemic chemo as well. So he's got both chemo's going through his system right now, to try and keep anything at bay until his next surgery in the fall, where they'll take out the right lobe of his liver. So that's going on too. But yeah, so I gotta come up with some kind of design that I want to put on this sign, and I just don't know yet, because I would love to honor him and everything he's been through and the fight that he's doing. So I'll figure it out. I get a little bit of time to think about it. I got until July when they start distributing the signs, so that gives me a little bit of time to think about what I'm gonna put on it. But I ordered from my Crafty Source. Oh, you can see that. A 10-yard roll. This is my second one for these shirts. It's just because the design's so big on it. But they also sent free. Okay, I'll show you guys this. It's pretty cool. Sorry about the noise. Free in the bundle. Okay, so you got the white, you got red, blue, this one was pretty cool. It's like got a shine to it, but it's not glossy, it's matte. I don't know if you can see that very well on the camera. And then there's a red one that's just like it. The white. And then these ones I really like. They're holographic. That's pretty cool. And blue one. And a silver. Don't know what we're going to do with those just yet, because it's not HTV, it's actually just vinyl. And I don't even know if it's permanent vinyl. The StarCraft's permanent adhesive. So I would assume the rest is permanent as well. The Avery don't say on here. Well, I thought that was pretty cool. They sent it free with my purchase. Let me roll it back up and put it back in the bag, because I don't have a whole lot of storage just yet. Alright, put it back on. So hopefully soon I'll be able to get my sublimation printer out here as well. I just got to get these shirts down and off my desk. They're all over there. A lot of them are already packaged. But this plastic's pretty strong. I need to start, I don't know. I mean, I had some lady, because I to sell on Facebook Marketplace, I've joined quite a few different groups. I had some lady get on my case about posting to that group, because it's supposed to be for vendor sales only sites where you can find flea markets and that. But if you read the group rules, it states that you can put stuff up for sale. If you know of a flea market or a vendor kind of flea market, you can post that so people know about it. And she's like, she got on my case, so this is just for vendor flea markets on where to find them and stuff like that. I said, well, I'm sorry, but if you read the rules, it states that you can post on it. She goes, no, the administrators are taking it all down. I said, well, if you look, I'm not the only one posting stuff for sale on this site. And she just got on my case about it, so I quit posting on that site. It's just not worth it. It's just not worth it. So I guess it is what it is. But sales are down everywhere right now because of everything that's going on. I'm actually thinking about not even doing my Etsy anymore, because I've had it up since the end of October, and I've only gotten 31 sales on it. I've tried Marmalade, I've tried Everbee, I've tried the latest one's E-Rank that I've tried, and there's so many people on it. They say, oh, give it time, give it time. Well, that'll be coming up on a year soon. I've only got 31 sales. So maybe I'll just start my own website and just promote that. I don't know. I mean, everybody says Etsy's so great, so great. I think I've spent more on fees than I've made. Let me check. Let's see. That's monthly statements. I wanna... Do they have a yearly statement? I tried doing the ads. Yeah, amount due for June. I owe $11.69, so I have not made anything for June. My listing fees to relist items. It's just, I don't know. I'm almost over Etsy. So June, so far in June, I'm minus 20 cents fees. And June just started though. So let's go to May. I made $39.51 in sales. My shipping costs were $10.32. My fees for listing fees, transaction fees, and processing fees were $15.98. And my marketing, which I just took my ads off because my ads, they're not bringing in sales, so was $18.40. And that, so $39.51 I made in sales, and I'm minus $5.19. See if you can see this. Minus $5.19 for me. So that's coming out of my pocket. And it's been like that. So I don't know. Is it really worth it? At this point I'm starting to think it's not. Because people say that, oh, just because the market's saturated, the market's saturated. You also got to figure in the fact that we're headed in for a recession. And stuff like that. So, I mean, I just might get my own website on Shopify. Sorry, on Shopify. It just might be more worth it for me at this point. So, I don't know. I haven't decided. I'd say what do all you guys think, but I've only got 3 subscribers on this channel, so hey. But that's my own fault. I quit doing videos for a while because I was so cramped in the house. I was just too cramped. Really had nowhere to set up the camera. So now that I'm out here, I'll probably be posting more. Maybe I'll get more subscribers. Let's hope. Let's see. Let's see on my channel. Yep, 3 subscribers. And only 5 people watched my last video, so it is what it is. But I've been doing the life on the farm for maybe going on 2 years, and I still only have 232 subscribers, so. I'm kind of giving up. Okay, I'm gonna start cutting some vinyl and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, I got quite a few cut to start doing it, but I am running out of time because I have to go feed the dogs, go let the chickens out, make sure they get water and food, and turn the pool on, wash my dishes. So I got several other things that I have to do before I start work at 8:30. Right now we're still on the 2 weeks we work from home, 1 week we work in the office situation. And that looks like that's going to go on indefinitely because they need to hire so many more people that they don't have room for everybody. So, which is cool because I like working from home. I'd love to be able to do what I'm doing full time here with my crafts and selling them, but right now that don't look like it's going to happen anytime soon. So just keep going like I'm going. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for visiting Crafty With It. Bye.